Welcome to this overview of CA Privileged Access Manager Release 3.1.1. Release 3.1.1 has many new features and enhancements. Let's look at some highlights. CA PAM now integrates with SailPoint Identity IQ. You can provision users from SailPoint into CA PAM to provide access to target devices. One of the advantages of CA PAM's integration with SailPoint is a shared database for provisioning. The shared database is hosted on the CA PAM appliance, which reduces overhead during setup. CA PAM is considered an entitlement application in SailPoint. Standard CRUD operations for users in SailPoint are bidirectional between the two products. Another new feature is the enhanced mainframe support for 5250 and 3270 Telnet clients. With these clients, you can leverage PAM's access control capabilities for IBM server deployments. New capabilities include a mainframe proxy, auto login to target mainframe systems, and session recording. To configure one of these services, add a mainframe device and assign 5250 or 3270 support from the Services tab. Then configure the required target accounts and policies. Once configured, a user can log on to CA PAM and use the new service to access the target mainframe system. The Windows Remote Connector is another 3.1.1 highlight. This target connector is an alternative to the Windows proxy. It supports all of the same operations as the Windows proxy, but tasks can be executed directly from the CA PAM appliance. Because the Windows Remote Connector is executed directly from CA PAM, you don't have an additional component to deploy. Note that you can use both the Remote Connector and the Windows proxy. Now let's look at the enhancements to Kerberos and PIV integration with CA PAM. Previously, KDCs were only configurable for devices from an LDAP import. Now you can assign a KDC server at the device and the device group level, as shown here. As part of the PIV enhancements, CA PAM now supports simultaneous use of two smart cards. The PIV card, which represents the user's personal identity, is in the primary reader. The alternate logon token, used to maintain identities or certificates, is in the secondary reader. The Kerberos changes also impact RDP access using smart cards. If you select the Smart Card button to log into a Windows device, you are presented with two options. Login provides you with network-level authentication, while Login Form is for legacy deployments that use non-NLA authentication. Either option logs you into the target with an authenticated RDP session with Smart Card pass-through. So those are just some of the 3.1.1 highlights. For more information about all 3.1.1 features, go to the CA Privileged Access Manager documentation at docops.ca.com. Thank you for watching this video.